Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Forte GT with the dual clutch. 1.6 liter turbo, 7-speed dual clutch. This is the GT2 pack. Yeah, super nice spec on this one. Blacked out, basically fully loaded. Dual exhaust, of course. I really wouldn't want it to just have one big fart can. With the GT2 you get full leather. Sirius XM radio, of course. Go ahead, take a quick peek under the hood. See that 1.6 turbo. Nice. Turbo's right around this area, I do believe. Could be mistaken. Like the bronze finish here. Oh. It's my favorite part about this car. Sunroof. So this is something I learned is pretty ingenious. You have it like that, so when you close it, it shuts it off. Because when the visor comes up, it shuts it off. I don't know if you can see. GT badge, another GT badge. Sorry for the beeping, it's gonna beep because of the plates over a sensor. Backup camera. Alright. Start off in normal drive mode, then bump it over into sport. Probably won't be using the paddles today, maybe once or twice, because I got a bunch of hate comments last time, even though I think it's kind of cool to show off the paddles, but... Seven-speed dual clutch, quick shifting, no complaints there. Just drove two manual Forte GTs, so it's kind of cool to get a back-to-back comparison. Not DSG. Ooh, that's Volkswagen. Dual clutch versus manual. I've always been a manual fan, but the dual clutch almost fits the character of this car just a little bit more. It does feel like a little bit more organized of a package, a little bit more refined. It's just, I don't know, it might just be me saying that because it's a GT2 versus a GT1, but... Now we're bumped over into sport. can see, it just holds revs however long it needs. Setting off from a stop, dual clutch doesn't jerk around too much, it just works. That's what I love. Some dual clutches can be very, very finicky, sometimes only taking off smoothly if you're very, very careful and treat it like a manual. This, you just drive like a normal automatic. Hey, you guys want some turkeys? It's almost Thanksgiving time when I'm filming this. Got some turkeys on sale. Buy one, get one free. Sorry, that was mean. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.